How to add Outlook calendar to the calendar app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Apps. Next in here, tap on Calendar. Then at the top, tap on Calendar Account. Then tap on Add Account. From here, choose Outlook.com. Next, you need to sign to your Outlook account. So put in your email address, your user ID, and then tap on Next and input the account password. Okay, once you have authenticated yourself, in here you can tap on calendars. So make sure the calendars toggle button is switched on. Then tap on Saved, and then tap on the back key at the top here. And now you can see we have calendar accounts with Outlook has been added. Now if you go back to your home screen and launch the calendar app, in here we can tap on calendars, and you should be able to see Outlook calendar. So here we've got Outlook calendar added to your calendar app. So make sure you select the calendar that you want to use, such as birthdays, US holidays, or calendar from Outlook, and that will appear in your calendar app in here. And that's it. So that is how you can add the Outlook calendar to the calendar app on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.